Tired of staring at that 0 Robux balance when all your friends are rocking the coolest in-game gear? Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn your Cash App balance into glorious Robux. First things first, make sure you have funds available in your Cash App. If you don't, you'll need to add some using your linked bank account or debit card. Now, you'll need to link a debit card to your Cash App account. To do this, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down to linked banks, and then select link card. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely add your debit card information. This card will be used to process the Robux purchase. Next, open up the Roblox website or app on your phone or computer. Make sure you're logged in to your Roblox account. Navigate to the Robux purchase page. You can usually find this by clicking on the Robux icon at the top of the screen or by going to the Buy Robux section. Choose the amount of Robux you want to buy on the payment selection screen. You'll typically see options like credit card, PayPal, or Roblox credit. Select credit card as your payment method, even though you're using Cash App. Enter the debit card information that you link to your Cash App. This includes the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and your name and billing address as they appear on your card statement. Review your order one last time to make sure everything is correct, and then click Submit or Pay Now to finalize the transaction. And that's it. Your Robux should now be added to your Roblox account. Go ahead and treat yourself to that awesome new avatar item or game pass. Now get out there and enjoy your Robux. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.